Hello friends, today I am creating a project using the ChalkMade Heart and Home kit. It comes with everything that you need to create this project. It's actually a double-sided project, so once we're done we'll have love on the blocks on one side and home on the other side, and then there's a couple little phrases that you can add to that. So it comes with 4 of the chalk singles. I'm actually only going to end up using 1 of those because I'm going to change up the colors just a little bit to suit my needs. Like I always say, create something that speaks to you, that's your favorite colors and goes with your style and decor. So I'm actually going to paint 3 of the blocks in peony that I will use for the word love. And I'm going to leave 1 of those white, and you'll see why in just a minute, but I want to make sure that each block is absolutely dry before I chalk on those a bit, and then I will actually end up sanding the edges. You'll see me sanding here, right here, just to kind of distress it a little bit. I like that look. It's just a personal preference. You certainly don't have to do that, but I like the look of it. So I'm going to go through all the blocks and sand those up real good, and then make sure that I wipe them down when I'm done. Wipe the blocks down just with a dry towel, and then my surface, because I don't want any of that dust to get into my chalk paste. So I'm going to start with the first side. We're gonna, or actually I guess we're not gonna start with the first side, we're gonna paint the other side. But so the other side I'm going to actually paint with Couture teal. And this is one of my other absolute favorite chalk paste colors. So again, I'm going to make sure that each block is absolutely dry, and it does take a few minutes, but and then I didn't show it in here, but I did sand those blocks as well. So the kit also comes with a little heart shape and a little house shape that we're going to chalk, and you'll see me writing on all of the backer paper of my transfers, and this is so that I know exactly which side my transfer is going to go back on, and I know which piece goes with which transfer. Very helpful, especially when you're doing a lot of letters, things like that, a lot of small pieces. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to chalk the heart and the little house with the shimmer gold. I'm going to use the shimmer gold for pretty much everything, all the chalking on here. I love how it looks, especially with the Couture teal. Now be careful when you're drying these pieces, because they're very lightweight and they have a tendency to want to blow away, so be careful when you're drying that. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take that rectangular block, excuse me, and I'm going to chalk is in the air. So when we're done, it's going to say love is in the air. The other phrase is you can have it say you forever, so love you forever. So again, I'm going to make sure this is really dry. I can't stress that enough. Make sure that you're making sure these pieces are absolutely dry, because you don't want to flip it over and then have your paste smudge on the back side. So again, like I said, I sanded that side as well, those blocks. So I'm going to kind of set it up how it's going to look once it's all together. So the kit comes with double-sided adhesive that you can put right on that little heart shape, and that's why I left that block white, and it's so cute. I just love this. So then I'm going to put my letters on here, and I'm going to chalk all those again with the shimmer gold, and it's going to just look so cute. I love these shimmer pastes. They're just so fun, and it's hard to show in a video just how sparkly and shiny they are, but they're a lot of fun to work with. So once I chalk all those, I'm going to pull those transfers off, and again, like a broken record, I'm going to make sure that these are very well dried before I flip it over and I do the back side. And I love projects like this because you get 2 projects in one. I can have this out for Valentine's Day, And then once Valentine's Day is over, I can flip it around and have the back side. So I decided to chalk Sweet Home on the other side of that rectangular piece, so it'll say Home Sweet Home. You can also chalk Welcome, so it says Welcome Home. That would be a cute one too. So and again, I'm going to set it up there, and then I'm going to grab my letters, but first I'm going to use that double-sided adhesive and put that cute little house on there. It's almost hard to see the transfer with that Couture teal because they're both the same color, but once you start chalking, you'll see it there. And again, I'm just going to go over that with my shimmer gold. It's such a quick project, and you'll have this done in minutes, and it's so satisfying with Chalk Couture that you can create such a fun project in literally minutes. So I love these projects, especially these kits, because they come with everything that you need to create your project. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.